Best for extreme macro photography, with max magnify ratio up to 8:1, 3:1 with 50 mm lens. Bellows extend from 40 mm to 150 mm with locking thumbscrew. All-metal construction for heavy-duty use. Built-in tripod socket for seamless ticking. Limited 2-year manufacturer warranty. Top reviews from the United States. Offers a secure fit between your Sony E-mount camera and your Canon EF/EFS lenses. The adapter is a full metal body and the lens flange is made from a separate and seemingly tougher material than the body to support the weight of the lenses. It also secures the lens interlock mechanism seen on the side of the adapter. Alignment indicators for both the camera body and the lens are clear, visible and accurately placed. Please note that there is no weather sealing, so it would not be wise to take this into a lot of dust and moisture. This is a basic adapter, so forget about using autofocus.